Yes! What's up, people of the world? Level Up here, and today I have a special arts video for you. I'm going to teach you how to make a paper ship, not a paper boat,
but a ship.
Now, this video was a part of my school project, so I may look a little different. So I hope you like this video. Check it out! Hi, I am going to make a paper ship. That's all for today, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends and family. If you like this video, check out my other drawings and arts playlist in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye!